Hi, welcome back. Today we are working on the dreaded laundry, the never-ending cycle of laundry. Today we are doing my daughter's laundry. We are sorting it, getting it ready. I do mine in 4 different piles because I pay to do my laundry. We have darks, so our jeans, our thick colors, and of course our blacks. Anything that is on the dark spectrum. So this dress is also gonna go in the darks. Whitey tidies, we're gonna put up with our whites with a little bit of color, nothing that is going to bleed. So this is more of a screen print. Anything that is brand new is gonna go by itself or get hand washed. So all of our darks, which is our biggest pile. We also have items that we don't dry. We separate those out and we do them on their own. Bras and more of like a lacy underwear, more girl items, but anything that is this slick, like workout clothes, we don't dry any of those. The dryer from the heat makes the elastic break down. So we throw those all the way off to the side. We do them in one load and we hang them up to dry. Socks, if you're not particular about your socks, they can go in the whites or the darks. I need more whites, so I throw them over there. We also do our towels separate because they're kind of gross. Anything that's skating, just kind of gross. Kitchen towels, they need a little bit extra detergent, so they go separately. Try and keep my bathroom separate from my kitchen for obvious reasons. Feet and food, not a good mix. Our medium colors are more of our neons, still sorting, and some of her other sweaters. These are going to be our mediums. They're lighter to medium. It's just going to go with the temperature of the water and making sure that the colors don't bleed. Red is the biggest color that bleeds. So if you have anything white in a red or a black, it's going to give it a good case of the dingies. And then you need new whites. So if you have any questions, please leave a message below. And if you have anything else you'd like me to show you, please let me know. And of course, we're always rocking the laundry pants on laundry day. Remember, live big and live kind. See you next time.